So these are the tools I'm going to be working with. I'm using the cut the plastic with pipes if the axle is giving me a hard time. Pencil to mark, tape measure to measure, and in this here I have my screws. So let's go. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I do it. We're gonna be looking for a fall so the water can fall. So these can run all the way down to there. So just making the estimate right now. Put it right there. Didn't want to use my drill, so as the drill is heavier, but maybe, and I'm gonna be doing 3 of these, so I don't want my hand to have the fatigue for later, but to control the power on this like a powerful tool, not easy, but there we go. It's 2, and 2 will be enough. Alright, let's up over to another section. So remember the tip, guys. So that one comes to the edge of the board. This one, the edge of it goes below the edge. Just giving it a little fall so the water can flow down when the water is caught in the trench. Give it a little fall so the water runs down nice and smooth and don't settle in the trench. So going up and down the ladder was not easy. I had no help, but what has to be done will be done. So the end of this trench don't have anything to screw it in, so we'll put it in the end first. Let's get it up. I'm gonna put it in from this last one that I put up. Catch it from it there. Okay. So it would be going all the way down to there. So just like that, guys. Start inside here. Let's move over and fix over that side now. One thing for sure, imagine if I was gonna paint the entire building this time around and then put up this trench. It's been so difficult with the leather. Move it. If I had more than one ladder, then I could just up across. But I have to move the ladder. Up, down the ladder. What we have to do, what we have to do, right? So, get this part in. Whew. So that's how we're looking so far. Yeah, so water would come, catch, shoot all the way down. Okay, not looking bad so far, guys. While I was there on the ladder, I remember that I bought this tool and it was inside the house. So I bought it. But this is from Works, right? Screwdriver, real handy. So I'm just going to use this instead. I'm going to use it along with its extension. So let's give it a good test. I've used it before, it worked well, but let's see how it does on this job. Real handy tool, great investment. So now it's time to put up another pipe. Or another pipe, I mean another gutter. It's time to put up another gutter. This ladder is not straight. Let me straighten this. Yeah. Saved first. Always. So we've completed putting up the gutter. It's just to do some connection on a couple clips. But that's it. All done, guys. Now drain pipe. Sort out the drain pipe and call it a day for this one. 2 more to go when I'm finished. So I'm taking some measurement now on the wall, this end, I'm getting 16 inches. Don't know if you guys can see. Right, so 16 minus 5 is going to be 11, no, 16 and a quarter. Yeah, minus 5 is gonna be 11 and a quarter. 13 and a quarter inches. Gonna be here. I should have brought my T-square, but we'll just make do with what we have. Down the T-square. It's not far enough, but man, I'm tired. I am so tired. Up, down the ladder, up, down the ladder. Not an easy road. Not easy at all. Okay, I see where I'm coming off already. Okay, gonna get this up. Oh, okay. Oh, right. Seems as if we'll be okay, guys. Yep. Seems as if we'll be fine. So these are the straps. I only need 2. So I'm gonna use a drill, make the holes for the wall screws, and get these in. With the magic of time, guys, the drain system is done. This gutter system has been completed. See where we're placed on these straps, 2 screws on the end and 1 in the middle, just to hold the pipe, just in case. The same thing was done like that second strap. But yeah, tell me what you think, guys. Butter system. This side is completed, 2 to go. Break time is up. It's now onto this side. Put up the other gutter. Yes, yes, yes. All the way down the line. So this is the next day, guys, and as you can see, the gutter was completed. I had to cut a breather pipe right there because it was in the way. I placed it on top of the roof to reconnect it at a later time. There it is on the roof. But yeah, on this side I had to also cut the zincs because the zincs were too long. So on this side and to around the back that I'm going to show you next, I had to cut all the zincs or the water would flow over the gutter instead of into the gutter. So I didn't get to video that part. I was really tired. It didn't bring the camera up on the roof with me. But that was done. And here I'm going around to the back. You look, you see the gutter drainage right here, the drain pipe. Yeah, that's the down pipe. Looking good. All sorted out. And look at the building, guys. You can see the building really want to paint. Next video, that's what you're gonna see. And there you see where that here was also painted nice, white and pretty. I did some caulking under the loafers as well. And here you have the gutter at the back. Yeah, this was the last gutter that I put up. And there's a down pipe. So work was completed. Saved a lot of money putting up this gutter by myself. I saved approximately $800 US putting up this by myself, and I'm proud of myself. So you can do it, guys. You can do the work once you have the tools. So comment, like, share, and I'll see you in the next one.